We bought the Furbulous litter box. It's an automatic litter box. It is amazing. Probably one of my favorite purchases of the last decade. It cleans the litter so easily and it packs the bag for you. So I don't have to scoop cat poop. I don't have to deal with the smell. All I have to do is when it's ready to go, I get a notification from the app that says, hey, auto pack this, we're ready to go. I just hit a button, it auto packs it. I literally pull out the tray, grab the trash bag and throw it away. Super easy, super convenient. I love this thing. But we have gotten to the point where we actually ran out of trash bags. So then I'm like, oh crap, what do we do, right? So went on the website, was able to grab the refills, right? But I haven't put them in yet. So I'm gonna take you with me just to make sure that it's an easy process and all of that. But this is how they came packaged. I have to be honest, it got a little beat up. So I'm not sure what happened with transit, but it is clearly marked as Furbulous. So I know this will work. It's obviously has Furbulous all over it. So let's go. I'm going to show you how it works. Hopefully we can figure it out together. Here is our Furbulous, and as you can see, it says cat around. Meow. I'm not really a cat, but it recognizes me. So what I'm going to do, so the first step in this is to take off the top part. Like that's the first step, so that way I can get to the trash bag area. You took off the top, so you just want to make sure that you do that first. So here is the trash bag area, and you can notice that here it's empty because there are obviously no more trash bags. So I'm going to take one of the ones that was sent to me and we're going to try to pop it in there. So super easy peasy. I like that it tells you which side is up. I think that's super important. So I'm just going to pull this one out because this is the bad one, right? This is the old one. I am going to go ahead and just kind of clean around here because I want to make sure that it stays in place nicely. It's not moving around. You can see that there's some litter in here. So just going to go ahead and shake that off. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So now I have the new one again. This came in the box that I bought. I wish you got more than two. I think that's just one of the things that I wish the company would give you, like a bulk discount if you got more than two, because obviously you're going to be going through these. So that would be awesome. So all I'm going to do is pop this in here super easily. Just make sure it snaps in place nicely. I'm just going to push this first bag down a little bit so that it is ready to go to capture the waste. But I think we're okay. Let's go ahead and run it and see what happens. Okay, so it is good to go. So now it's obviously telling me, and it's such a smart litter box. I love it so much, but it's telling me there's no upper cover, so I need to put the cover back on. So we are all installed. I'm just gonna get out of the way because it thinks that I am nearby as a cat. So just gonna move, and then I'm gonna see if it's gonna allow me to clean the litter box now that the bag is in there. Okay, so yes, we are getting cleaned. It's all done. It looks good. I'm just waiting for the status to update, and yes, it gave me the complete notification. So really happy about that. And I'm so happy because for a little while there, it was not cleaning itself because it's like, I have no bags. So thankfully we were able to order these replacement bags. So it looks like it went through, it did go ahead and go through a cleaning cycle. So it does recognize the new bags. But yes, so really happy with these. I just, again, wish the company would offer more so that you're not just buying two at a time, because you are going to be going through these pretty quickly, especially if you have multiple cats. But yeah, I really like this. I think it worked really well, and thankfully the install was very simple.